In the 1.1 Day 2 assignment, we're going to be working on a lot of solving equations, solving quadratic equations. So I have a couple to show you today for just different algebraic methods that we can use. One of them is just by using factoring. Now you'll notice in this problem that we've got actually a factored form of the equation on the left-hand side. The only problem is that we have a 10 over here, and when we're using factoring to solve quadratics, we want there to be a 0. So we're going to rearrange this equation just a little bit first in order to make a 0 on this side. And to start, I'm going to distribute that x. So that will make 2x squared minus 1x, minus x equals 10. And then I'm going to subtract 10 to get it over onto the left-hand side. So we have 2x squared minus x minus 10 equals 0. From here, we can use factoring because now we have 0 over on this side. The factoring will be an advantage to us. So we did a little bit of factoring last chapter, but here's some more practice. I'm going to factor this right here. Pause the video if you want to give it a try and see if yours matches up with mine. But as far as this factoring goes, we split up the 2x squared into 2x and x. Remember that we need to multiply to negative 10, add to negative 1 to make this work. The combination that I found works is minus 5 and plus 2, because negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And then the inside and the outside parts of FOIL will give us negative 5x and 4x. You put those together, we get negative 1x. So that combination works. Now that I've got the correct factorization, then I should find the solutions for each one of these factors. So start with the easy one, x equals negative 2 for this factor. Now this other factor, again, it might not come out right in the open if you're just using mental math. So if that's the case for you, you can set up a mini equation and figure out what that's going to be. Add the 5, divide by 2, x equals 5 halves. I would just leave it as 5 halves. If you really want to do 2.5 or 2.5, that's fine. But that is going to be the solution that we have for this one.